They cry. We're hungry, walking us. We need kole to drink.
Shut up. Uzaga Wagmonana, your last month is sending person money for Nigeria. Bring the account receipt. Bring the receipt. When you tell Vera, children, Vera, run for these people. I only tell the truth. My mama sister and me and an enemy for life. But these people, they'll give me you eat. Run for them. These people, they be evil. They see people like this. They my mama family. The corporation when my father family gets, they my mama family like that. My mama family, right from when they born me to that family till now, get with that family till they peaceful. Quarrel for where junior for the insult senior, that kind of family not the day peaceful. For where junior for the fee say she is not the alpha and omega. If not be say, my mama come up for her sister ass. Today now, she for the jealous me say, all the money when I come to see yeah. But as far now say my mama not did it again now. Our market. What Maria worry. Then when my mama did the ass, and now which one better pass? Wasu. Vera, run from there. It's an advice. It's an advice, my sister. Done. Eh, we were my family. Done. See that sister. Elder sister, moment il a dit, mais you can't tell Sedekia, say no, it is too much. You know how many people the saga Sedekia go reach TikTok. Everybody saga Sedekia and his baby King Kong, Shoy, everybody can give their baby king. But your own a Chinese name, King Kong. A Kong in Uyamu no more. He is that one of Papillona. Because there's not baby bar today. Iye lizard, one of Papalona. Serekia gonna go your honey you are. In your Vera played a police role. Vera do stay see the follow now. Before you see Moki does see now. If Vera not come apologize to now, I Vera wanted to pay back. That's why it's not all apologies that I read. It's not all congratulations that I read. It's not everybody will wish you. I'm happy for you. Not be really happy for you. What did happen? So we still use and learn. Because if not be say me come back on saga Serekia, nobody believes say I not forgive that girl. If not be say Verekia come saga now, nobody believes say Vera not forgive her. Because where Serekia the person they forgive. At all. As we see they talk, so she still they get mouth. Wanna check her now. He get people, where go the saga person and they'll say, since the saga now she not gonna talk, we rest now. Since na kiss saga is the manager go. Serekia ye nya say if they come, she they come. Now truth is the make person they forgive person for life. If you are remorseful mean if you are sorry for what you did, even without an apology, with your attitude, your behavior, people will say, say that they regret to, see the way she just continue to do. I be more you forgive her. Well, remember, I don't feel saga this girl again because she don't even post anything again. Oh, yeah. Don't be say that the saga your kikon, you they come mad, they do worst. Let's go there. Yes, because I defend for my children. When they do this thing, nobody talk to you. All of them, they declare for you. Today, have fun, and their children will decide no. Now your kikon, no atikon, no biye. Osipalo, no biye, no zaga. Ari mwe bogbe, ni va bon la wegbe. Oya, elder sister, no wa. We'll continue. Let's go.
If I lie, the receipt when they say your children 15,000, when they take back kuli, we go bring the receipt out.
Can you imagine?
The receipt when you take beg it from me to her. Say they say you 250, the record everything there.
Can you
when
imagine?
you want to do something for native daughter, now make you quiet sit down. So you can say she just born. If woman get belle, one leg go day life, one go.
If it is true, say Vera go native daughter, go do Serekia. Vera native daughter, I'll collect that number. That baba sharp. That baba they really they see road. Come on, elder sister no war. Katie Nozua. You cannot be say Papa born me, so you are not my elder sister. Hey, Katie Nozua, Larry. Come. Vieni qua. Because that one they speak for Italy. Come here. Have you ever tested Rikia? Said the way she said they insult people, children not good. Have you? Have you ever tell that Mugu, say, go and apologize? Have you? No problem. They don't rest in peace for your picky picture. You know what in me. For we parents come out to defend our children. If it is true, say Vera go native doctor for Sirikia, that Baba sharp. After this life, you are covered and me give me the Baba contact. You know why? Number one. Baba wey feed one. Men man wey give person belle Iran. Et Sirikia na got working on the streets. Baba try for there. Two again, Sirikia not constant prick do. Before she born. From 0 months to 9 months. Now we go take bagger. Baba still do and rich like that. Sirikia call the saga a baby papa and the children we don't want to get for Nigeria and the papa family and the mama family. That Baba try. Baba don't stop for there. Baba cost Allah. Iye lizard one of Papa Luna. Do baby shower without a man. All the pregnancy symptoms we woman would go through for that. Wife would say on Emi Lolo ye. Emi Lolo ye. Baba not let any man Lolora. So Rachel was in pains all through the pregnancy. He still reach the day when they go labor. You know see husband way hold on for waist. Do my call say, oh baby, I know about this again. Now Sereka using your hand hold. Sereka was the man. Baba do a reach like that. Sereka was not Sereka was not 2 in 1 in the going of hospital. He still reached there. Me now I follow my wife enter labor room. They use all the rerera. Me na person not like to see blood before, but this one I need to go. This last one when I witness I use a rubber. Only sorry. Though you know really boy again. You try touchable mama wa talk way. You try wire call me. You go say, oh, you the mad oh I say yes I the mad. Because that moment when matter they curse you. You curse me, you reply. Why they who as a man? Any woman where they the condition of pushing. Woman come mistakenly curse you. You can't say, I mean they curse and they go ask, why do what? A boss will allow it has one more which has in your daddy and boy. It has your way like bed in there of you where I'm moving because where women they really pass through a lot for life. The native doctor where Baba where say Vera young woman here where Vera go. He arrange frustration of one like me. He not stop there. Baba when Vera go meet, constantly make Sarah think say Vera buy ticket. Why no collect money from her? He collect money from Sarah because it's Sagar and joy. The pain is really real right now. Now the feeling deep. Not be the one where I did the Sagar before. Now the feeling deep. Kate be a baby matter now. And allow Vera to do her revenge. If now my blood sister do me this time, do her back. Vera Nazo. I talk her. If not me, I'll buy ticket I'll come. I go video where you sleep. I go make sure either where you born. If I be Vera, I go. You go think I be better person. Go read that Momo body. I'll video all of the keep. All of them my phone. If I don't want to poison you, we call with the Europe. I'll video your Momo. Small prick they call no more. I'll video everything. I'll keep on. If I read Jenny, I used to I can't post on. Vera was so nice. If not me, you do it children like that. I'll buy ticket again and I get document. I'll tell my Benjamin, please, my husband, please. 3 days. This journey is finished already. We don't record and tire, but give me 3 days. I'll go there, I'll help you bath. I'll do like better person for you. If you didn't sleep at the video, if you don't snore, because you did this, so now live video for the game out. Or I do giving at the middle. Eki can't so young one when no the mama thing when he come. Wow, as you sleep for day, you do saga. You dey saga Vera and Enogie for inside your sleep. You don't think of your picking. Una saga Vera and Enogie. No go agbon soon. I will record if they sleep. I go make sure say I record everything. I'll say my sister, I'm not gonna go Germany. So they reach Germany the next day. I say my people wanna come. My girl look say Vera do like this. He only record na some more. My girl, maybe not because she get belly. Because exactly what I take for my mind, now Vera go do. That's why when Vera started the saga say that when you never bring the picking, I can't say why Vera they do like this. Where's it been no more like that? Okay, saga. I don't want to cover that. I don't be like say, you know now, do you not meet because we will be friends? You do I control over here. She's a married woman. Now look up. Yeah, can't pay me. I will fit tell Vera now say me Vera no saga. It's a kind of pretty speaking. My people, if not be say Vera, use wisdom, follow these people. We for grow metu, we for grow YBS. Picking for not see. So they now yes, say some mama do 10 years, we not see picking. And that one for pay me well because after she don't recover, she not post the picking. She will start the saga house again. Now our children. That time she double and will not see picking. If you not do what's on here, I'm not telling you. But as far now, say Vera was so smart. Call down video. Screenshot. Oh yeah. Thank your God. Because if I was to be Vera's shoes, I would do you that. I'll come Spain. I'll come Spain. I you they tell me say you don't get money, I'll record everything. I they tell me say now so as this man won't leave you, the team pay you, I'll record on Jean. Because why? When you were doing Vera. That's why people when they attack Vera, we don't get sense. Yes, we don't get sense. When this idiot, this mugu, this iye lizard, this iya papamwaga, iye pele, when iye pele, the saga Vera, when Vera come off for hospital 2016, where were you guys? When he did it to Vera again in 2019, where were you guys? He said Vera don't see put money for it. The Vera man not love her, but Vera man not run live her. You see life. So the Baba, where Vera really go, he try. Jennifer Collins, they had the picking. See, Jennifer Collins, boy, Jennifer Collins, why they had your picking? He supports Sarah Naga. She will forever remain a gang. And anytime, any day, say that saga me, wagume, I'll call my live video, I'll come back again. It will have your body. You only sagi in your own dia. Any gift to the give Serikia, it go be problem to that picking. Any gift to the give Serikia, it go be problem to that picking. Any gift to the give Serikia, or logo here make money. Because this is all Serikia have ever wished people. Nonsense. They all carry call you Barry. Wait till happen before they call you Barry. Mametita. What did you do? What did you do that make everybody? Nobody when say that Serikia admit say she wrong again. He say they called me homeless. They called me Barry. Yes. Because as a day you were barren, you're not born. Now make you look people, children, you peace sports. You, there is a with your hand. There is a how many not post any other one. Because fear not let you try again. You know if you post that picture again. But the one we post rich because very get picture. Now you post rich. But soon when you reach your own now, you not be one me they know. You be one hide down from Facebook. Or Zuo. Mumu or there.
Now God carry the one with the devil, put on for life. He said, receive life. Now she born baby king.
Baby king of wow. Baby king of
we are Ole Morocco. Olokogoro. Obiju. People when they looking for my fat, they say, where are the saga? If you the saga people will not know you, not be we. Your saga is saga. Wow, beo. If better more that one come and talk, a bunch of way later. People where they join you, now bunch of way like you. Because normal people will get sense. go no say anybody wey fit abandon the children can do undo.
Shut up your mouth, madam. All the costs we say that don't cost other people children, they go your children head. Since you say what things Serekia do good, your children will be part of it in Jesus' name. Since you see truth, you know if you tell your younger sister say, Oviye ononama, I mean one at your bonu ye no like go apologize. You where? If we were almost to we were born now, since you know they consider other people children, when they don't insult, if we must to have now your own picking go, or if we had say, if we don't have you know our son kids, no you jumbo, don't have you know our van, don't have you know our very, who can have do that war. When they say they can't, when you have any very area so away babawemu ufiawu because where we sister no do not want time. It's not why we worry not you who are power who was when they sell now sister to strangers. Yes, I repeat it. When they sell una sister to stranger. Vera better person of I think even if you say my Vera don't face saga before, but I prefer Vera to see her 100 times. Yes, Vera still gets some more forgiveness. To kill like this, Vera will more. After Vera don't set you off finish, you can't tell Vera, you will be my sister. Now you do me like this. Oh, when you they do Vera, no, that time will not be blood. Why bloody? Was soon wagmo. About allow it. If I don't let ball, don't ball allow it. Yeah.
A desperate person.
Mogo.
You be wounded lion.
Wounded lion. Not even wounded lion.
Benjamin wait because of him. Abandon your picking. Benjamin got pregnant married woman. Benjamin pregnant his friend's wife. Wow,
Benjamin go up a pregnant friend wife. Now it never come outside for social media. Una can lie. Una. What? What he told you? Una want Benjamin now, Vera now. So that people come and say, hey, don't go sleep. Who you sleep with? You sleep with person wife. So Benjamin put gun for that one head, may you put also. He all put other way. Ovio bad. I don't sabi speak this way. Where away the nimebolu way. You know my brother, you know my friend, wife. Where away nimebolu way. Where away wa nimemu no way. If that thing come out, I go beat the woman if it is true. You know why? It not put gun for it. Yeah. The mad, the craze. He put gun for your head. Why so? You wait, if not truth, madam not come out. No going boy. Just there, yeah, you there, I don't know where they just there, if not truth. Because me gonna know matter. But if not truth, just there, the man. Married woman go say your friend sleep with her. If I blame Benjamin, me I don't know, I know it's cause am. See, you will be married woman, not fit yeah, Benjamin say, I can't do this, I'm sorry. After all, you're my friend's friend. Or may you even record down safe. Give your wife Vera, say, see what your husband they do, I don't need problem, I don't want to tell my husband. Benjamin, as you also say fresh like that. After all, your friend, your husband not fresh. Now, he say sleep with you. Kotoka come on. You are tell her down. You tell her to I'll drop Benjamin, I'll beat you. You not sweet you, you not scream. You not scream if not truth. You must scream ya. Or you want bully one or one. You must scream. Then I need to even sue you. For you to allow your husband to sleep with you. If I in love with drama, I'll sue you. Now you girls, man. The man, the craze, was so good. Mogu. And that's sister not Zua. Now this one what is Saga Benjamin. All the way, as a guy, Vera. Vera, what do you do these people? In 20 years to come, we shall do so. 2024. in 2044, the thing go still fresh for their head as if say it new happen. What you do this family? They go cry forever. Serekia, not settle with a girl. They dangerous. I want to tell you the truth as my party. Vera, not let anybody beg you. Tell you say, I will not do shut down. Vera, I trust you. Shall say not lose God. Now, the one way they go do you, Vera, eh? You go look for cry like you know see. No settle with the girl. The woto. Where you give these people, eh? You don't leave pain for their life forever. If you decide today, say, you not go forgive. If you decide today, say, you know, talk about Serekia again, or your family matter again, they fit still talk about you. Since from now to 20 years to come. And it go still dey fresh for their head. As you say now 1 minute ago, the thing happened. We work me now. For where elder sister will never come at once. Where never do video, where not be presenter for can't do this one, pay now. Where a man, within the elder sister, you still draw what they go on for that family. Just the way like my mama family be. Me I thought as well I take cash my mama sister. Here what threatening it to me. And you know you are confessing my mama. God has exposed sometimes, and let me tell you, people who you know for outside, they feel love and protect you past people who they call your siblings, people who they call the same blood. You see all those people run from them. When you are successful, they don't like it. When you are classy, they don't like it. This thing so when they happen to Serekia, so sorry for self everything. Apology when Serekia for do, and she can't born this speaking now. If I don't be like this, a lot of people for come and say, she do something. She tell us say, "No, not verse. Working na be God. No never offend person before." Say, no be lie. Meanwhile, as she do that thing, so she not go to see the can't say the feeling is deep and the pain they cry me a river. No lie. So they cannot hear word. We are better we not use and go on. We might let them know saga. You dey inside blood now. We sagging with you now. Or say you only sag anything vela already. I want me and you be the doing hot. But you know they come when I tell the day life. So the thing not the but yeah, but here. Even if say now one person come they wash me. So I know the reach now. The thing that they go 2 weeks. August 1st. Now I want to drop the issue. From there go. I don't deal with it in my mind. Then I will be satisfied. Yes, I will be satisfied. Nobody will do this thing. When they do Vera, we go take her. You know if you take her now. Vera children. If you still Google her for YouTube today, how they still record those children without shirt, is still there. Who draw that map? Serekia. Then Vera go you come sit down. It goes on because she's a boss lady. He is a wife to Benjamin. It go rest. Una take risk, highest risk. Una take. Before Serekia born, me and my wife will do this thing for his house. You see honey. Vera don't forgive her. Not allow, not your pool for Vera. I say, you call Vera? He say no. He get way for right now for you for WhatsApp message say he don't forgive Sarah. He say no. I say, honey, sit down, look. And dog me. We get Sarah cake bien, eh? It not be loud. I say, it's a Rekia come bon. It can't go 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. A Vera Maidosa guy, Sarah. Directly or indirectly. Hey, cannot say Vera forgive her. Not be the day when Vera don't. Vera na witch. Vera man dummy. Vera you will know food eh. And it's off if message them. Because you know say Serekia go for put. You know your fake come message and that no. He can't adverse. He says Serekia, congratulations to you. Now you don't know how picking be. And the worst board that I joined the play. Now I lower the match. I call Pastor Grace. Oh, come on. Because if I read the Thursday, don't forget say, You say, but you not talk about it. You only advise and say, and this video is a setup game. So they can't go forward. Can't really watch the video. So no be lie, oh, honey. I say, me and you first started to do Facebook. He said, I mean, I say, make you relax. This video is to trigger Sirikia. If very mean not the whole name. As I take disclaimer, everything where I talk for is everything. Everything. Eh? You saw my picky finish. You just say person you avert me. May I not talk to you again? May never get you. If I rest, Sirikia, I no saga you. May you go when you. You may go when you don't know what I see they beat you for. Because you never claim remorseful. You are still claiming say, now me find your trouble. Now make you insult my innocent children. Why you not feel insult me direct? Wa sungu agbe babo lawe gbe. Me babo la momo na gberi babo lawe gbe. Omomo na amberi. Gogo. Which fans give you money? You get mumu. You not get fan base. The feeling is deep right now. The feeling is deep right now. The feeling is deep right now. Now you the shout since you born. Ou rivière va son rivière va vent. Ou ya gwa le. Vera do ta life. Okay, never right. Vera ou megbe go dey talk for his ass. Vera ou megbe. Wa me no gain we. No gain win me. Why I forgive him many. You give Vera ya I was sha. Ta not be Vera make me do am. Just that me and Vera spirit they work together. Now, what me get for man, and Vera get for man. I wish I knew you like Vera. The one way I for do it for worst past Vera. I not do you the mad. What soon? About lawe woman now they'll give her pepper soup. Husband go to use body the rubber. When my wife born, she no experience shouting. I was there for her to defend her, to fight anybody with the saga as at that time. On a gilevier, we have here. As maybe you to have here, I will wait for that for me. At the end of the day, she does still grow past that stage. Now funny for this blue apple. Me you forgive Sarah like that. How now? How? How? Pregnant woman wey pikin dey kick for belle, not get her for feeling say and so pregnancy be. Your boss say I wish she even apologize for Vera before she born. Maybe Vera for let go. Conscience will not let Vera do what she should do so. Say she just come on live video. Vera Enogie is priceless. Every other children, better children. Please, you people should forgive me, And also, so believe you, if you even do it on your knees, you'll see 1 million views. People will come out and attack you. Yes, people will say that because she won't born now, that's why she can't apologize. But somebody like me, God is seeing me this afternoon. He's a spirit. I would have forgiven you. But you can't defend bros. And I boy your way. Say, Mama King baby King baby shower. Sick ball of baby shower. Nah, I will still go comment for him. Oh, God bless you, sir. God bless me. Even though we born, I comment for him. Enogie is priceless. May I play for now? So one of my fans posted the video.
You can't pay.
One of my fans posted the video. Wait. The day where she your born. The day where she your born. Was it good? She had the hospital bed. You know, as you see, evil that men do live with them. Evil that men do, he live with them. That video now, I never get 200,000 views for the video. As you talk, Rich, who are soon go back more.
Priceless. Enogie is priceless. Thank you. Thank you. What's it? As the family, thank you. I see you now. They come, man. God will bless you now. Thank you. Thank you, sir. What's it? Thank you.
So you not get mad.
Your family.
Serekia.
Enogie is priceless.
Serekia. So you be for your man. As you born your own, you dey look out for there. Thank you, sir. Enogie Express. Thank you, sir. I'm coming. Thank you, sir. So you, my children for don't forgive me. My children for don't forgive me. I comment. I will give a star. Me, you don't know me. I'll say thank you, sir. You know, me what thank you, sir. I like you know, Vera. You know, Vera. What? Me come 2 days don't pass. Where Vera never saga. My mother say, oh, you know, Vera doesn't settle. No, because it called the saga again. I said, no, I don't want saga Vera now. No. I don't talk. Why Vera never come saga? My wife will say, why you tell no say you never forgive her? Anyway, yeah. Why you pray make the quarrel? I say, Vera go you forgive Sarah like that? Now I say, and because you never forgive her, that's why they feel say another person never forgive her. Easy. Yeah, we are Vera television program. But so Vera we are TikTok. We Vera with TikTok in here. When now we can manage Vera with TikTok. Est-ce que tu bien les dog for Vera? That's why I'm quick come out. I can't wait. Now the day when Vera cut say it's not pan. That's it. Me now I baby palover. Because I know fully well that something is fishing. God bless you, sir. You didn't see your King Kong. When you see your King Kong, it is sweet to you. When I me boy, I feel Kati. That time when you take God bless you, sir. So as you born that picking, they put that for your body. You come on life. What are you supposed to do? Now so picking too sweet. Oh, hey, all the people have offended in one way or the other. Both the ones who are not offended will call me Barry. I am sorry. If I help you. If I help you. If I help you. So for this guy you. But me. For help you. I forest. But you ended up saying thank you, sir. Make una the star, eh? I dash you my star. I'll be the one who follow me call life for Facebook star. I give 200 star. Ozo. No ya bury ya King Kong. Mugu. Wa sungu wa mo. You are boy.
Oh, Enogie is priceless. Thank you. Thank you. Well, sir. As the family, thank you. I see you now. They come, man. God will bless you now. Thank you.
Not be you want pray for me. You are bolara. You are bolawe. Ko very man na te bonira. Ni ba bolawe gbe wa gbon nu sungu no gun gbo igbo. Thank you, sir. Call me Enogie, we sweet me well. When you call me Enogie, we the thing they sweet me for body. These thank yous are so not cost to me. Wait your body me now. The thank yous are now. See the way God to frustrate you. To no bad nonsense. Yeah, you shall about me normal me. You shall about gilly folly or bomb me. Ogele folly or bomb. Thank you, sir. Gbira. Ogna gbire. Iro vi gbono abadon we. Igera.
Vera the boncho.
Wasungu.
Vera, look at you. Agbomama we. If they talk say, it is say I go for buy ticket. Vera, if you buy ticket 1,001, 1,002, come Spain, I will give you hand. If I will let you buy ticket, you want that. You know how much for ticket for this summer?
Ero Nazua. Now let Vera be better person for the family. Anyway, why we fear to her. So una be dey expect Vera to Vera, why you do these people like this? Agbo wa be dia. Vera gbe alagbe. Vera, why you all do people like this? Why do you do them like this? Vera, what's the why we are now? They were expecting you like a president. They were expecting to see you in Spain. So that Serekia can say, Vera is here, my sister. Fais d'abord qu'il peut sur social media. Ok, my sister, ouais. Mama Conkin.
You fit Chester.
Chester, boy.
Wow, now you dey fight for them. I'll not fit buy ticket, come see you. As you not can go, still not can go where.
Does it go where?
Wow, now you dey fight for them.
Does it go where?
People let you buy tickets.
Madam, where it go where? When you not can come. All is not well, madam. Since 72 hours ago, which is 3 days from today, you're the come to reach this moment. Ogungun wa mugbe a nephew we. Omomo nu ya nugogo yi. The omomo wo no quit Vera say na bon. Since 3 days ago, akiwa mugbe. What it can go where?
Go see your children for cocoa farm. Go see them.
Shut up. They're not there any cocoa farm. Any cocoa farm. You the jealous Vera say you get those kind of boys. Now the jealous farm for which cocoa farm they? Now you give the cocoa farm. Well, where cocoa farm in Yanva. So you are supporting Serekia to some people. I pray me you see this video, may you reply me. Yeah, is there more? Your husband family are bring God come aside. You never even know what you put your hand. Sister not you know who are.
If you want to make cocoa.
So your coat according to your size. Not before not.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Sister Rekoyo.
I want to reply Vera, that's not be Vera, that's
Not be other sister. I want one to egbe. We have one. Very young person.
Now the witch where they worry Vera in younger ones. This woman, then they scatter the family. Now you avoid that sister.
No.
That's what you see. Go call Vera children. Say, children they beg money. Can't see where Vera children are answer their mama. Every day beg Vera, say, make Vera stay away from his sister. Say,
okay.
The children, yes, they expose them today. This woman are evil.
I bet when I send me the video, Vera. When I send me the video where Vera children they expose them.
Your old woman they do shorty for Italy.
You get better life. Yeah, la life. Yeah, watch a match in the bar. You get better life video. You don't know the praise.
After 5 children, better not see marriage.
Benjamin self personal. The Momo husband will go marry.
Your husband feel say that house
for where?
Your husband
which
feel
house?
Stay for Italy.
Which house?
Black like Shako.
Which house? Which house?
You go use caro white, go they bleach. Your mate they buy better clothes, they buy organic things, they rub, they shine. You go they rub caro white. So now so you black, so it be like Shako.
Was why?
It be like Nash we clean, not the touch. Useless woman. You not born boy. God use boy. They bless Vera and jealousy enter your body. You don't know they look for Vera that for right from Nigeria. This woman. Now which?
Hello boy.
Evil woman.
They don't be like my mama family. They don't as my mama family.
You see Vera, Vera na great woman for their family. Vera na woman.
That's why they be one year offer. Also, you have to what the Vera you.
This man for Bible, Joseph. Vera na be the Joseph of his family. Now me they won't kill him.
What about Joseph?
Joseph of his family.
What about Joseph you are?
Vera na Joseph.
Again, wait Joseph forgot to go. Kate, when Joseph forgot to go.
Joseph of his family.
People born now we wa go Kate. Uda. Every when we go le. Ala so amogu bi wele. Why we need business.
Facebook on they do saga ever since. Why you not come away saga they when Vera they saga you ever since. Why you not come as one call use say now. They do a road pass. Mother come we will give you those. They will give you those. That your face when be like bole make come talk to Coca-Cola for your eye now. Call me. Since you dey happy say Sarah dey saw people children. He carry his sister children come out on Facebook, life of the children head. You know, you don't come out. You don't talk anything. Also, person on this man, engineer Sarah. Then engineer Sarah. You see Sarah, Sarah na person will be saying, not get sense of your own, not get mindset of you. Anyway, they push and go, then go. They push and go, they push and go.
Sir, this one is number one. This one is number one person. Yes, now be number one person with the engineer Sirikia.
This woman, you broke woman, destroy her life. Destroy her life. Sarah, if you don't know, this woman